The MV Barima is set to sail again on Friday evening after repairs were conducted to rectify engine trouble that developed along its journey to Region 1 on Wednesday. Minister of Public Works, the Honorable Bishop Juan Edgel, on Friday met with the captain of the vessel to assess its readiness for travel and to update him on the measures being taken.
We have engaged MACORP, and I've been getting reports on what is happening. Yesterday evening, I took the intervention one step higher by having the chairman of the board of Transport and Harbors, Ms. Rosalinda Rasul, to personally intervene to make sure that things are moving.
Minister Edgel said this is one of the reasons the government made provisions in its 2021 budget for the sector.
Since we came into office, we accelerated the work to get the new vessel for Northwest, which has been funded through the government of India, to be on the go. The good news is we have already signed the contract, work has begun, and we expect that vessel within 15-16 months because it's an 18-month contract.
The minister apologized to the passengers for the inconvenience caused and offered them all a free round-trip journey from Region 1 to Georgetown.